Hello children, welcome to the subject mathematics. Today we are taking lesson number 4, positions. We have already learned few types of positions in the last session. Which are they? On and under, above and below, before, between and after. Correct? Okay. Today we are going to cover inside and outside, top and bottom, near and far. Okay, before going ahead, tell me what is position? Position is the place where someone or something is situated. Position is the place where someone or something is situated. Okay. Before going ahead, shall we see a video? Okay. This is a compost box. Look what I am having in the box. Some pencils and pens. Now see what I am doing. I am taking out the pens and I kept them outside the compost box. And what is inside the compost box? Pencils. Pens are outside the compost box. Pencils are inside the compost box. Have you seen the video? So, today our first topic is inside, outside. Okay, let us see some more pictures to get it explained. Look, what do you see in this photo? What are these? These are crayons and these are pencils at the right side. But where are the crayons? Crayons are inside the box. And where are pencils? Are they inside the box? No. Pencils are outside the box. So we see here crayons are inside the box. Pencils are outside the box. Let us see the next picture. Oh, look what it is. It's a chicken. In the left side, you see a chicken is inside an egg. And in the right side, you see that chicken has come outside the egg. So in the left side picture, chicken is inside the egg. And in the right side picture, it is outside the egg. Now let us see one more picture. Look here. What do you see? There is a girl and a boy. Where is the girl standing? Girl is standing inside the house. You see the house? Yes. And the girl is standing inside the house. Where is the boy standing? Is he inside the house? No. Boy is standing outside the house. So here we see the position of girl is inside the house. The position of boy is outside the house. Got it? You are also watching this video sitting inside the house, right? Correct. Okay. Have you understood what is position inside and outside? Okay. Let us go ahead. Now, we will see the further type of position, that is top and bottom. Now before going ahead, let us see a video Two friends, a cat and a parrot, went out to take a walk. They came a long way and they got tired. They wanted to take some rest. They stopped at a pole. Parrot said, I can fly, so I will go on the top of the pole and take the rest. Cat also wanted to fly, but can cat fly? No. So she decided to take the rest at the bottom of the pole. So where is the parrot now? On the top of the pole. Where is the cat? At the bottom of the pole. So have you seen the children? Where was parrot sitting? On the top of the pole. And where was cat sitting? At the bottom of the pole. So our next topic is top and bottom. Let us understand it with the help of few pictures. What do you see in this picture? It's a tree house, right? Have you been to a tree house anytime? Okay, let us go. Here, there is a ladder to go to the tree house. And the boy has gone up. And now he is on the top of the ladder. And where is the girl? She has not yet climbed the ladder. So where is she? She is at the bottom of the ladder. Where is the boy? Boy is on the top of the ladder and the girl is at the bottom of the ladder. Let us see next picture. Oh, look, what is it? The children are playing slides. Do you like to play slides in the garden? Yes. Now in the left side picture, a boy is sitting on the slide. But what is his position? Correct, at the top of the slide. The boy is sitting on the top of the slide. And in the right side picture, you see a girl. What is the position of the girl? The girl is sitting at the bottom of the slide. She has come from top to the bottom. She is now at the bottom of the slide. Have you got it? Let's see the next picture. Look here. Here there is a bird sitting on the top of the tree. A bird is sitting on the top of the tree. And where is the flower? Do you see the flower? Yes, the flower is at the bottom of the tree. Flower is at the bottom of the tree. So do you see the different positions? We call it as top and bottom. You can also find such positions in your house and you can play with your brother, sister or mummy, daddy about the positions. Now this was about top and bottom. Now let us see the next type of position. Far and near. Before we go ahead, let us see one video. One day in a jungle, 3 animals, lion, elephant and zebra, were also went to drink the water at the pond. But zebra did not go to the pond. Zebra thought, lion will eat me if I go. So he stood far away from the lion. Now where is the elephant? Elephant is near to the lion and zebra is standing far from the lion. So children, have you seen the video? The elephant was standing near the lion because he doesn't scared to the lion. But zebra was standing far from the lion because he gets scared to the lion. Okay, have you enjoyed it? Okay, let us understand our next topic of position, far and near. Let us see the next picture. Look here. Again here there are three animals. A deer, a rabbit and an elephant. Where is rabbit? Rabbit is near to the deer. Rabbit is near to the deer. And where is elephant? Is elephant near to the deer? No. Elephant is far from deer. Elephant is standing far from deer. Now when the distance between something or someone is short, or when we are closer, we say the thing or someone is near. And when a thing or a person is at a long distance, we say it is standing or it is at the far from that thing. Okay. Now let us see next picture. Look here. You see a boy and a girl. And we also see a tree. Where is the boy standing? Boy is standing near to the tree. Where is the girl standing? Girl standing far from the tree. Where is the boy? Near to the tree. Where is the girl? Far from the tree. Let us see next picture. Oh, what do you see in this picture? Fishes, right? Now, where is red fish? Is it near to the yellow fish or far from yellow fish? Tell me. Correct, near to the yellow fish. Red fish is near to the yellow fish. And do you see a purple color fish? Where is it? Purple color fish is far from yellow fish. Purple color fish is far from yellow fish. Got it? That means when there is a long distance, we say far, and when we are closer to someone or something, we say near. Understood, children? Okay. Now, let us see next slide. Here, what do you see? There is a picture of a cat and a fish. Now here, looking at this picture, we have to identify the correct position and we have to write it in the given box. So we have to fill in the blanks. in this example. So let us read it. First line, the fish is dash the ball. The fish is dash the ball. Now we have learned all the three concepts: inside, outside, near, far, and top and bottom. Now we have to see the correct position in the picture and write the correct answer. Now where is the fish? The fish is inside the bowl. Correct. The fish is inside the bowl. And where is the cat? The cat is outside the bowl. The cat is outside the bowl. Now we have to write the answer like this. The fish is inside the bowl. Inside. I-N-S-I-D-E. Inside. The cat is outside the bowl. O-U-T-S-I-D-E. Outside. Have you got it? Okay. Now let us go to the next picture. Look, what do you see here? There is a monkey eating bananas and there is a cat sitting. But what is their position? Let us read and find out. The monkey is on dash of the pole. Where is the monkey? Yes, top. The monkey is on top of the pole. And the cat is at the dash of the pole. Where is the cat? The cat is at the bottom of the pole. Correct. So we have to write the answer in the box like this. The monkey is on top of the pole. T-O-P, top. The cat is at the bottom of the pole. B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Have you got it? Okay. Let us go ahead. See, what do you see in this picture? Three animals, three wild animals. They are going somewhere. Let us read. The cheetah is dash the tiger. Where is cheetah? The cheetah is near the tiger. Do you see? The cheetah is near the tiger. And the rhino is dash from the tiger. Do you see the rhino? The rhino is dash from the tiger. Where is rhino? The rhino is far from the tiger. So we will write the answers like this. The cheetah is near the tiger. N-E-A-R, near. And the rhino is far from the tiger. F-A-R, far. So we have to write the answer like this. Have you got it, children? Now, let us revise. Today we have learned the positions: inside, outside, top, bottom, near and far. You can look in your surroundings in your home and you can see the various positions of the things and the persons, and you can enjoy doing it. So, practice at the home. Okay, children? Bye for now.